Imagine waking up tomorrow and your entire business is being run by an AI CEO you built for free. It handles your marketing, your emails, your customers, your content, even your product ideas. While you're literally sitting there with zero overhead, zero office, zero employees. Sounds crazy, right? Well, this is exactly what Americans are doing right now in 2025. And today I'm going to show you how you can build your own AI CEO from scratch. Let's go. Part 1, the mindset shift. For years, people believed businesses needed investment, employees, mentors, offices, and stress. But 2025 flipped the script because now AI can act like a full management team. You don't need to be smart. You don't need to know coding. You don't even need capital. You just need one thing, the ability to delegate to AI. And that's what we're building today, your personal AI CEO. Part 2, Step 1, create your AI CEO. Your AI CEO needs a job description. Tell it, you are my AI CEO. Your job is to manage strategy, planning, content, marketing, and growth. You must think long-term, act like a business leader, and give me step-by-step instructions daily. Now your AI CEO will build your business model, create your content calendar, plan weekly strategy, break down tasks, make decisions for you, analyze competition. This is your new boss, and it works 24/7 for free. Part 3, Step 2, choose a business with zero overhead. Your AI CEO will help you choose one of these zero overhead digital businesses. YouTube automation, AI script, AI voice, AI editing. Digital products, ebooks, Notion templates, prompts. AI-powered freelancing, logos, websites, ads. Short-form content agency, affiliate marketing with AI funnels. These businesses need no office, no staff, no inventory, no investment. You only need AI tools and consistency. Part 4, Step 3, build your AI team. A CEO alone isn't enough. Now let's hire its virtual team. AI CMO, marketing. Generates ads, writes captions, builds email campaigns. AI content manager. Writes 10 to 20 short-form scripts per day, builds thumbnails, rewrites winning videos. AI CFO, finance. Tracks income, makes pricing strategies, predicts growth. AI research head. Finds trending topics, analyzes competitors, and gives you database decisions. You now have a full corporate team that costs $0. Part 5, Step 4, turning it into a real business. This is where your AI CEO shines. Tell it, give me a 30-day business launch plan with daily tasks. It will respond with what to post, what to sell, who to target, what platforms to use, how to scale. All you do is follow the daily commands like an employee. The AI CEO thinks, you execute, money comes in. Simple. Part 6, the future. In 2025, people who learn how to use AI will replace the people who don't. You don't need money. You don't need a partner. You don't need a fancy setup. You just need one tool, an AI CEO leading your business. If you want more AI-powered business ideas, comment AI CEO, and I'll drop a full step-by-step guide.